name is Martina Grom,
Hello, I'm Toni Pohl.
and we are both Microsoft 365 MVPs. We are thrilled to invite you to our governance workshop happening end of April at the Microsoft 365 Community Conference happening in Orlando, Florida. We will present you out-of-the-box strategies and tools to deliver a good governance around Microsoft 365, the Power Platform, and also Copilot.
We will look into the Power Platform. For example, we will see what happens if a user creates a new application in the Power Platform default environment and more.
Also, we will look at the compliance policies you need to deliver to have a good and secure Microsoft 365 Copilot strategy to help you get started with a compliant environment and secure environment.
We also will look into custom workflows, how we get data out of Microsoft 365 and how we can react on actions that happened in Microsoft 365. So we will develop our own custom workflows for that.
So we are happy if you join us for this full day workshop, which has 3 parts: Microsoft 365 governance, followed by the Power Platform governance, and then last but not least, Microsoft 365 Copilot and all the governance strategy which are happening here.
We're looking forward to see you at our workshop at the M365 Governance end of April.
See you. Bye-bye.
Bye.